Prep methods for writing. P. Point, say your opinion or idea. R. Reason, give a reason for your opinion. E. Example, give an example to explain your reason. P. Point again, repeat your point in a strong way. Topic, what is your favorite season? P. Point, I think summer is the best season. R. Reason, because we don't have to go to school. E. Example, for example, I can go to the beach and play with my friends all day. P. Point again, that's why I love summer the most. Simple steps for students. 1. Start with your opinion. 2. Tell us why you think that. 3. Give an example or a story. 4. Finish by saying your opinion again. Use sentence starters. I think. One reason is. For example. So, that's why. Topic, my favorite pet is a dog. P. Point. I think dogs are the best pets. R. Reason. One reason is that they are very friendly and love to play. E. Example. For example, my neighbor has a dog named Max. He always runs to me and wags his tail when he sees me. We play fetch in the park, and he makes me laugh when he chases his tail. P. Point, again. That's why I think dogs are the best pets to have. What is the prep method? The prep method is a simple way to help you write or speak your opinion clearly. It has 4 parts. P. Point, say what you think. R. Reason, say why you think that. E. Example, give an example or story. P. Point again, repeat your opinion in a strong way. Why use prep? It helps you stay organized. Share your thoughts clearly. Make your writing stronger. For any query, please visit our website or call or WhatsApp us. Thank you.